Welcome to the Excel tutorial from zero to hero. Today we're starting at the very beginning. So if you've never even opened Excel before, you're in the right place. First, let's locate the Excel icon on your computer. If you're on a PC, you'll probably find it in the Start menu under Microsoft Office. On a Mac, look in the Applications folder. Great, let's open it up. Just click or double-click the icon and Excel will launch. When you open Excel, you'll see something like this, the Start screen. This area allows you to create a new workbook, choose a template, or open an existing file. Let's start fresh. Click on Blank Workbook to open a new Excel file. Welcome to your first Excel spreadsheet. It might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll go through it together. Understanding the interface is crucial for efficient navigation and usage. Let's dive in and explore the various components of the Excel interface. First, let's talk about the ribbon. The ribbon is the horizontal strip located at the top of the Excel window. It contains tabs, each with groups of related commands for performing various tasks. For example, the Home tab contains commands for basic formatting and editing. Quick Access Toolbar. Next, we have the Quick Access Toolbar located above the ribbon. It provides quick access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo, and print. You can customize this toolbar to add your favorite commands for quick access. Formula bar. Moving on to the formula bar, which is located below the ribbon. The formula bar displays the contents of the active cell and allows you to enter, edit, and view formulas and data. It's where you'll spend a lot of time working with cell contents and formulas. Workbook. A workbook is a file containing one or more worksheets. Each worksheet is comprised of cells organized into rows and columns. You can have multiple worksheets within a single workbook to organize your data. Worksheet tabs. Worksheet tabs are located at the bottom of the Excel window. They allow you to switch between different worksheets within the same workbook. You can rename, insert, delete, and rearrange worksheets to organize your data effectively. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Excel window. It displays information about the current status of Excel, such as cell mode, sum, average, and more. You can customize the status bar to show additional information based on your preferences. Cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of a worksheet, where you can enter and manipulate data. Each cell is identified by a unique cell reference, such as A1, B2, C3, etc. You can enter text, numbers, formulas, and formatting into cells to create your worksheets. Columns and rows. Columns run vertically from top to bottom and are labeled with letters A, B, C. Rows run horizontally from left to right and are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3. Cells are organized into rows and columns, making it easy to arrange and manage your data. Zoom controls. Finally, we have the zoom controls located at the bottom right corner of the Excel window. They allow you to adjust the zoom level to view more or less of the worksheet. You can zoom in to see more detail or zoom out to see more of the worksheet at once. Congratulations! You've now learned about the various components of the Excel interface. Understanding the interface is essential for efficient navigation and usage of Excel. Whether you're working with worksheets, entering data, or performing calculations, familiarity with the Excel interface will make you more productive and efficient. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into Excel features and functionalities. See you then.